trim rail and sealant maintenance for your camper. One area that, if you're not keeping an eye on it and properly maintaining your camper, you can have potential water issues. So we're going to show you stuff that you can do to prevent that, so you guys don't have that happening to you. You have trim rails on your camper. This is would be your rear curbside trim rail. You would have another one there, and then two in the front as well. So what you're going to be looking for when you're doing this inspection, which should be done every 6 months. If you're really towing it around a lot, you might want to do it more frequently even. You have sealant that runs along here on both sides of the trim rail. If you start seeing gaps, cracks, or anything like that, that's when it's going to be time to reseal it, because obviously it's allowing water to potentially enter into your camper. Important thing to know if you plan on doing that yourself, make sure that you clean out all the old sealant, so you're not laying your new sealant on top of the old stuff. Make sure it's cleaned out really well. There's no dirt or anything on there before you apply your new sealant. Your trim rail also has screws that are behind this plastic insert here as well. The plastic insert can simply just be pulled out, so you do want to check your screws, especially again if you're towing it around a lot. If those screws get a little loose, it can cause the trim rail to come apart, and that's where your sealant breaks apart.